People, gather around, people. This is Jeremy from DeltaWind IT Solutions. So today we are in our Ubuntu server. We're just getting our hands, just a little practice. So I just deployed this virtual machine. I'm currently hosting it on VirtualBox. Like I said, it's an Ubuntu server. So I have five hard disk running on it. Yeah, pretty simple basic stuff. So today we have a task at hand here. So what do they want us to do? Let's see. If I sound this way, I'm definitely coming down with something. Um, so scenario one, what did it say? New employee onboarding. Okay, cool. So we have someone joining us. So what's the task? A new user named James K has joined DeltaWind IT Solutions. You have to create his Linux account, assign him to the developers group, set his password, and give him sudo access. Okay, cool. Let's welcome James K. So, what do we do first? We create the user, James K. We set a password for James K. We create a group, developers. We're assuming James K is a software developer, so we create a group, developers, and we have to add James K to that group since James K is a Python developer, let's assume. And then also grant sudo access to James K. Okay, so those are the steps we'll be taking to get this task out of our queue. So what do we do first? First of all, you add the user James K, and you do that by using. I'm in admin now, so I need root access to create the user. So that's why I'm using sudo user add. Let's create a directory for him since he is joining us. User add James K. Cool. So now let's set a password for James K. You do that by using sudo password James K. And it gives you an option. Can just tap this. It gives you an option to set password. So let's set a password for James K. Yeah, let's back up a bit. Let's see. Cool. See if we can get that wrong. All right. If I can type and speak. Okay, so we have set a password for James K. Next, we have to create the developers. I think that's what we have to do next. Let's see. Yep. So next, to create the developers group. So do that by doing sudo group add developers. Developers. Cool. So next we have to add James K to the developers group. So we do that by doing sudo user modification and then append to the group developers James K. Just have that. So we have added James K to the developers group. We can we can check for you could check for any user you have created. You could just cut into let's see we can go into this directory to see the users we have created, and somewhere here you're going to see James K. So yeah, that's the user. That's on the last line that we've created. We've also created a home directory for the user. Okay, cool. So what do we have to do next? We have to add James K. Okay, we have to give let's see, grant sudo access to James K. We can also see the group we have created. We can cut into it. All these you will learn later. I'm just doing this just for the fun of it. This is not an extended tutorial for Linux commands. So let's cut into this. Um, let's see. No, cool. So underneath here is the developers group that we created and added the user James K to. So next we have to give James K sudo access or root privileges because he's a badass Python developer. So you can do that by doing sudo user modification again and append sorry sudo access to James K. Pretty simple. So that's how you go about doing that. This is very brief and yeah, simple. Okay, I should show you the user.